Welcome back to MV Classes. So here we have the second pass. You can see sheep is on the end because it's already been sorted. So we're going to start with rabbit. So just as we did in the first pass, we compare rabbit to dog. And I'm just going to represent them with their first letters. So you've got D for dog, rabbit because they've swapped, and then you've got F for fox, C for cow, H for horse, C for cat, and then D for deer. And then the sheep stays in its same place. It's already sorted. So now we compare rabbit to fox. Yes, we know R is greater than F. So now we have dog, fox, rabbit, cow, horse, cat, deer, and sheep. Next, we compare rabbit to cow. Yes, R is greater than C. Now we have dog, fox, cow, rabbit, horse, cat, deer, and sheep. Next, we're going to compare rabbit to horse. R is greater than H, so we're going to make the swap, resulting in dog, fox, cow, horse, rabbit, cat, deer, and sheep. We compare rabbit to cat. And then lastly, we compare rabbit to deer. And yes, R is greater than D. So now we can write out the full answer for the answer to the second pass, which is dog, fox, cow, horse, cat, deer, rabbit, and sheep. Those are now in green because they're now sorted.